Welcome to our channel. Setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone enables convenient and secure contactless payments. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app, which comes pre-installed on all iOS devices. Step 2. Tap the plus sign icon in the upper right corner to begin adding a card. Step 3. Choose whether to add a credit or debit card, or add your previous card if you're upgrading from another iPhone. Step 4. Position your card in the camera frame when prompted. Your iPhone will automatically capture the card details. Step 5. Verify the card information displayed on screen and manually enter the security code from the back of your card. Step 6. Read and accept the terms and conditions presented by your card issuer. Step 7. Wait for your bank to verify your card. This usually takes just a few seconds but may require additional verification. Step 8. Complete any additional verification required by your bank, such as receiving and entering a code via text message or email. Step 9. Once verified, your card will appear in your wallet with a check mark indicating it's ready to use. Step 10. Set your preferred default card for Apple Pay if you have multiple cards. Step 11. To make a payment, double-click the side button on your iPhone, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold your phone near the payment terminal. Your Apple Pay is now active and ready for secure contactless transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.